Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Sekhukhune 0. I'm joined by a fan. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
My name is Dennis. I'm from Midlands, Zone 10.
Yeah, Dennis. What did you think about today's game, my brother?
It was tough and we were scared.
You were scared?
Yeah, I was scared.
Of Sekhukhune?
Yes, yes.
Why were you scared, my brother?
You know, we came on a game very slowly, but then we did try to up our game, and then I'm happy with the win.
Yeah, you happy with the win?
I'm very.
But you're saying you are scared, my brother. Yes. What's scaring you about the Pirates? In a two-side.
Yeah, we play well, but we doesn't score. We play well.
Oh, yeah,
we pass. Night passes, but no goal.
Yeah. So since the matter here,
yes, I score.
Ankori, my brother.
I score.
Who was your man of the match today?
Lodge.
Tell me, because
number 3.
Yeah, that was the guy.
Yeah.
My brother, Saturday who and achieves 90,000 FNP Stadium. What's gonna happen?
It's gonna be tough, but 1-0 to Pirates.
1-0 to Pirates. Yes. Straight win.
Yeah. 1-1.
My brother, you don't sound sure. My brother, on the show. On the show.
Not 3. 1-0. But we're gonna win. But 1-0.
1-0, my brother.
2-0.
Yeah.
2. Are you sure?
Yeah.
But 1-0.
1-0, my brother. Okay, thank you very much, my brother.